Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to green screen in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express makes it easy to work with green screens by allowing you to remove backgrounds from images or videos and replace them with custom visuals. Alright, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can start your work by choosing some of the amazing designs that you can find. But if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. You see, there is a section here that says more ways to start. I want you to click the view all section because this is the easiest way for you to achieve the green screen effect. Go to quick actions. There is an option that says remove background. And I want you to upload the content that I wanted to remove the background or achieve the green screen effect. In my case, I'm going to be using this thumbnail. You see? So basically, the background has been removed. All right. And from here, all I have to do is click on download or open an editor, which I'm going to do with that because I'm going to add more visuals here. Now, once it's loaded, all right, if you want to go to the element section, you can put in background. Type in green screen background right here. All right. Go to background right here. So these are some of the options for you to create a green screen background effect. It's very easy, really. All right. And from here, you can experiment with the different tools to find your editing style. For better control, consider subscribing to premium features which unlock advanced tools like selective editing and more filters. For example, if you want to add text here, all I gotta do is add your text. Of course, you have the option to make it a little bit smaller. See this? Once you are happy and satisfied with the green screen effect, obviously you can put in a different color here, right? You can add a small video on the side to make your green screen effect a little bit interactive. For example, a small video here. Let's see what we got. For example, this one. Right, so we're gonna put this guy here. Let's check if the element blends well together. All right. Now, once you're happy with this, how it looks, you have now the option to download this amazing green screen effect you have created in Adobe Express by choosing all of these formats. And before, you can also choose the resolution. Is it going to be 720, 1080, or 4K? And if you want to share this amazing design that you have created here, just copy that link, send it to your client or send it to your boss. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.